Hello. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to fix the communication mode not allowed error on your SECard encoder and restore the default settings for smooth operation. Let's get started. If you're encountering this error message when trying to connect your encoder to SECard, it means the communication and security modes aren't correctly aligned. In this guide, we'll show you how to easily fix this and restore your encoder to its default settings with a Bauderet 38400 and security mode play. To resolve the issue, we'll first test all available security modes, Sign Encipher and Sign Encipher, while keeping the baud rate at 38,400. In this example, we'll choose the Sign Encipher mode. After clicking Connect, you'll see that the encoder is successfully identified. This indicates that the security mode was causing the issue, and we now need to reset it to the default settings. To do that, navigate to the Encoder Authorized Communication Modes section, select the plain security mode, and click Apply. Now the change is confirmed. To make sure everything is working as expected, try connecting the encoder again using the default factory settings with the plain security mode. And there you have it. Problem solved, and your encoder is now successfully restored to its default configuration. For more tutorials and guidance, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And remember, for any questions or support, the STID team is always here to help.